Now let's talk about box and whisker plots. Box and whisker plots are another way of representing data. It's a very organized way that shows the quartiles, it shows the median, and it shows the outliers. First, I have the box in here. This value is Q1, which is the 25th percentile. And the line in the middle is the median, which is the same as Q2. And this line in here is Q3, which is the 75th percentile. Moreover, I have the minimum in here. This value corresponds to Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR, where IQR, which is the interquartile range, is equal to Q3 minus Q1. And any value which is less than Q1 minus 1.5 IQR, I consider to be as an outlier. For the right-hand side of the box and whisker plot, the maximum value corresponds to Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. Also, any value which is greater than the Q3 plus 1.5 IQR is considered to be an outlier. Let's have an example now for us to draw a box and whisker plot for our data. We need, for the box and whisker plot, we need to find out the quartiles first, Q1, Q2, Q3. We need to find IQR, so we will be finding the value of Q1 plus Q1 minus 1.5 IQR, and we need to find the value of Q3 plus 1.5 IQR. Let's use our graphical display calculator to find the quartiles and the median. We go to exit, and exit, we have to delete all the lists, delete all, and here we delete all. So we fill in the values. This is 2, 5, 3, 6, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 6. We go to calc, we go to setting, because I don't have a frequency list in here, so I set it again to 1. There is no list. And I go to 1 var. So I can find that Q1 is equal to 4, median is equal to 6, and Q3 is equal to 7. So this is equal to 4, this is equal to 6, and this is equal to 7. Now, the IQR is simply equal to 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. Now, let's find Q1 minus 1.5 IQR. I go to run matrix. Go to menu to run matrix. Q1 is 4 minus the 1.5 times IQR, which is 3. So this value gives me minus 0.5. So this is minus 0.5. And the maximum is Q3 plus 1.5 IQR, which is 7 plus the 1.5 times 3. And this gives me 11.5. So I have my values starting from the minus 0.5 and ending with the 11.5. I have Q1 to be 4. Let's say I'll have Q1 in here. This is 4. And this is the 6, and this is the 7. Let's draw our box and whisker plot. So now, having this way, and this is a big line of the box, and this is another big line. These are my whiskers. And this is another whisker. If you can realize, I don't have any outlier because all the data points lie within the minimum and the maximum values. We don't have any outlier in our data set.